Today I'm attempting to create this Birria Mac Cheese that I've seen all over social media. So I start off with the birria itself, as I'm cooking a good stewing beef, as I'm using a chuck roast today, coating it in salt and pepper. I'm then going to soak our 3 chilies in boiling hot water, as I've removed most of the seeds in mine. I'll let this soak for around 10 minutes and then add my Roma tomatoes in the final 2 minutes. In a hot pot, sear off the beef in a nice neutral oil, getting off a nice sear on both sides and set aside for later. In the blender, add the soaked chilies, tomatoes, a white onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, and around 2 cups of liquid that the chilies have been soaking in. Add more liquid if needed to get your desired consistency. Blend until smooth for a minute or a minute and a half. Add all the liquid back into the same pot that the beef was seared in, allowing it to simmer and come to a boil. Once boiling, add back in the beef. Add in your apple cider vinegar and broth, as today I'm using a beef broth. Add in your cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, cumin seeds, oregano, thyme, and black pepper. Give everything a good stir before either slow cooking for 3 to 4 hours at a low heat or pressure cooking for 45 minutes to an hour. Now for the mac and cheese, preferably I would make a roux, however I wanted to make a sauce with cream instead. I'm going to get 1 cup of cream to heat up and thicken before adding in my shredded cheeses. Today I'm going to be using cheddar and Monterey Jack. Lastly, I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of paprika. Shred your birria beef with some consomme, as it should easily come apart shredding with forks or your hands. Top off your mac and cheese with a sprinkle of your shredded cheeses. Place on a high broiler for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy.